It's me, Gwen Ashley, makabugtog with a Junana. Char! So for today's vlog, we're going to solve a geometric sequence.
So what is geometric sequence? The geometric sequence is a sequence in which we can get a succeeding term by multiplying the previous to the fixed number, called the common ratio. So sa Tagalog, makukuha doon natin ang next term kapag multiply natin ang previous term doon sa fixed number natin o tinatawag na common ratio. So for example, 2, 6 at 18, ito ay fixed number. Kapag minultiply natin itong dalawang number nito, ay may kasunod ito, which is ito. So sa nakikita nyo dito, ito ay blanco. Paano nga ba ito masasagutan? Sa pamamagitan ng pag-multiply ng dalawang ito gamit ang common ratio is makukuha natin sagot nito. But for now, we're going to solve a common ratio. R o common ratio equals to A2 divided by A1. So, saan nga ba makukuha itong A2 at A1? Ito ang tinatawag na term which is dito, ang A1, A2, at A3. Ang question, ano nga ba ito dito? Ito ay A4, A5. Then nakikita natin wala itong sagot sa pamamagitan ng common ratio, makukuha natin sagot dito. But first, ano nga ba ang kaibahan ng geometric sequence at arithmetic sequence? Sa arithmetic number, makukuha natin ang sagot nito sa pamamagitan ng pag-multiply ng number. At sa geometric sequence naman, masasagutan natin sa pamamagitan ng division or divide ng number. So dahil geometric sequence ang ating pinag-uusapan ngayon, paano nga ba sagutin si geometric sequence? Like this, A2 is as number 6. 6 over A1 is 2. So, i-divide natin siya dahil geometric ang gamit natin. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, this is our common ratio. So, 18 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry 2, 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. This 54 is the answer of term 4, 54. Now we're going to solve our term 5 using the common ratio number 3. It's same this one, we're going to times, and this is the result like this, okay. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung medyo ganyan-ganyan na movement. Wala kasi akong support or wala akong cameraman siya or cameraman. So, let's continue. Sorry talaga, medyo magalaw. So, same procedure. 54 multiplied by common ratio number 3. 54 times 3 over 3 times 4 is 12. Carry 1. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1, 16. So, this is our answer of term A5, 162. So, guys, mag-additional na kong example kay medyo ito. Kung gihatod na example na ganiya kay short lang, medyo ay matunan niyo ba? So, mag-add na example para natay more learn about the geometric sequence. So, watch until the end, guys. So, ito yung ating fixed number. Kailangan natin itong sagutin. Same pa rin yung procedure kanina itong ginawa natin is mag-answer muna sa common ratio. So, common ratio are A2 divided by A1 equal. Don't forget, guys, dito na part is always talaga division. Hindi siya subtraction, hindi siya multiplication, kundi division. So, equals is 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, this is our common ratio. So, same pa rin kanina guys. I-multiply natin siya si common ratio sa term 24. So, 24 times 3. 3 times 4 is 21. Sure ka ba? May DI, 12 DI na. 12. So, 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1, 7. So, our answer is 72 sa term 4. So, next is term 5. 72, same pa rin. 72 times 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 7 is 21. So, this is our answer for this term 5. 2 and 16. 216. So, ayan. So, guys, thank you for watching to my vlog. So, I hope namin natunan mo. And, by the way, I'm Gwen Ashley Ijuna now. Grade 10, Malvar. This subject is small. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.